Good morning everybody. Yay, good morning everybody. Hi Bernice, congratulations. He just recently baptized. So welcome to the Christian world. Though you are already a Christian even before, but now you are officially declaring your belonging to the church and to
Christ.
serve Christ through Redeemer. Congratulations, Bernice. Now we are on our way with this beautiful lady and with her beautiful car. Tingnan mo naman yung car niya. Paano yan? Hindi makita. We are on our way to the Barcads to celebrate the baptism of Bernice. Yay! And if you can see the road, it's not so much traffic. Dili kayo traffic. Kaya ang mga tao nang lupad ba. We are enjoying the 4 days holiday, Eid. So now we are on our way to Barsha to celebrate. Doon punta kami sa kainan, the Barcads ba yun? The Barcads.
Barkadahan?
The Barkadahan. And see, this is Dubai. Ang road sa Dubai, ang ganda ng roads, hindi katulad sa Pinas na madaming. Tingnan mo naman yung aming metro, yung aming train station. It's so much developed and no corrupt. So, yes. Anong masay mo Bernice? What can you say? You have already spoken there. Yeah. So, congratulations again. And mauni siya ang Dubai. Tingnan mo naman, yung building na yan,
Sana kinunan mo doon yung museum kanina.
Museum, no?
Oo.
Ang
Dito
ganda.
na lang, birch na lang po.
Ayan, ang ganda talaga ng mga dito, ang namin, bangko namin,
Ba, may pera, mayaman.
May pera.
Naka-ads.
Siyempre, bangko, may pera yan. Ang tao lang doon sa bangko sa loob, walang pera. Tingnan mo naman yung aming metro station. It's so much developed in Dubai. Come and visit Dubai. Tingnan mo naman yung roads. Ilang lane? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 lanes. Amakin mo yan. Pumunta ka ng New Zealand din, 2 lane lang. So, medyo mainit ngayon there is sa Dubai. It's a little bit hot. Early in the morning, it's already 32
Grabe.
degrees. Maybe in the afternoon or maybe by noon, it will be 52. It's real hot.
Grabe.
Real hot. Kahit nung gusto ko sana, ito yung na mix. Yan tingnan mo yung metro. Yan ang metro hub. Metro station. Tingnan mo naman, asa ka makakita ng kaganda, malinis na lugar diri sa Dubai. Walang same yan sa Pinas.
Kawawang Pinas.
Ang Pinas, kawawa kay daghang kawatan. Kasabot mo daghang kawatan. There are too much kawatan there in Philippines.
Buhaya.
Ang daming buhaya, kawatan, tapos way uwaw, mangawat. Nya pa kunwari pa wala sila nangawat, makatuog pa kana sila, no? Unsaon man nila ang kwarta. What they are going to do that pera they are kawat?
Meron silang brand.
For the kawatan in the Philippines politicians, they've been using for the kanilang symbol. This hospital that I'm always coming for my orthopedic Medcare. So now we'll continue our journey by celebrating the baptism, the recently baptized of Bernice.
In 600 meters.
And we'll enjoy and let you know, guys. Thank you. This is Dubai. We are beautiful early morning. So where are we? We are now in Al Barsha area. Still we are in the Mall of Emirates. And then IHOP. And then this is Barsha area, the business business hub.
Continue straight.
Ayan. Walang daghang tao kay ngano nangatog pa ang tao. Jin, that is very nice there. Foot spa.
Di ba dyan si Si Sherry yata.
Yay! Naami dire sa barkadahan. O, diba? Baptism sa anak mo.
I praise God and I thank God. A long-standing prayer was answered. Thank you.
How
sa
many
prayer.
years you are praying?
Since birth.
Since birth?
Yeah, since in the tummy. So, 16 years praying. How many years ako nag-pray for His salvation? Sabi ko, since
Are you happy? Are you happy?
happy, very much. Alam na ni Ate Jane na I asked Ate Jane for the prayer of His salvation.
Okay, so today is the celebration
Yes.
for this guy. Baptism.
Young man. Pinapalagay kasi nakunan ako, di ba? So, parang inaano ko na ako si Hana, tapos siya si Samuel. Sa Bible ba? Sabi ko, sana yung batang to maging Samuel. Because he fell down ng the rock. Ang purpose nito.
So naging Samuel.
Malay mo, kung magiging ano siya, preacher siya or what, depende kay
Oh,
Lord.
I want to be a liar.
Kasi kung gusto man niya maging piloto.
President, pag-preach siya,
The preaching pilot.
My real color.
Kasi tapos na yung aking ano.
That my mom and he met his girlfriend there.
This is what?
Philippines and one here.
Won't be like that, ha?